We are Visenius, your number one destination to enter into the world of investment banking. We offer live sessions taught by experienced investment bankers. Now let us look at the modules covered in IB Catalyst Platinum Package. IB Overview. This module will be an introduction to what investment banking exactly is. Excel is one of the most important tools for any IB personnel. Hence, some of the frequently used functions and formulae along with macros will be covered here. Financial modeling is an important concept of IB, and this module will cover every aspect of it. Valuation is equally important as financial modeling, and this module will shed light upon the different valuation methods along with other related topics. LBO modeling will cover topics such as case studies, dynamic debt schedule, cash sweep toggle, and more. Merger modeling includes topics like creation of pro forma, net asset value, goodwill, and other important concepts. Report writing module will include confidential information memorandum, research tips and tricks, and more. By conducting mock interviews, we make sure to instill confidence in our students, work on their communication skills, practice the answers in a safe environment, and build a complete resume. This is not the end. You get 3 advanced valuation modules along with this package as follows. Brand valuation. This module covers the various methods of brand valuation and their practical uses. Operating lease concepts. Along with an in-depth coverage of the concepts, we will look into the laying of a DCF model with operating lease adjustments. Research and development concepts. The module includes important topics like the difference between expensing and capitalizing, tax benefits of investing in R&D, and more. But the list doesn't end here. After completion of the course, you can avail doubt solving and consulting for a month and free refresher sessions for 1 year along with placement assistance with our Faculty Connect. We make you deal ready. So what are you waiting for? Book your seat now.